We do not care.
Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode of Puchicast. So, I hope you guys are excited for the new episode after seeing a previous episode. So, to give us more insights on today's topic, which is conspiracy theories, I'd like to bring in a new guest. That is Kailash Sankar.
What happened, huh? Yeah?
That's my chair.
Oh, okay.
No, I usually sit there.
It's okay.
Can you please help me with that, please? So, So, moving on. So, I hope you guys are excited for today's episode. Let's welcome Kailash Sankar. So, firstly,
Wait 1 second. Last time I saw one more guy.
It was just a gulab jamun, man.
that was he's gone for a research for today's topic. He had actually gone for a research to unknown places. He's gone somewhere, so yeah, he'll just come back late. Probably he'll be there. He'll be back late. He'll come back.
Am I sitting on him?
Moving on, the new topic. Today's topic is conspiracy theories. Like you all know. Shut the.
Conspiracy. Okay. What do you think about it,
It was
Vinny?
just a gulab jamun, man. Please.
It was not just a gulab jamun, man. It was all I had. It was all that I had, man.
But it was meant for me.
It was not meant for you.
It was. The sugar melted in my mouth. Please.
Let's take a fight.
I told you it was not just it meant a lot to me.
It was just one piece, man.
Can't you stay in there as a punishment just to make me happy at least?
It's suffocating.
You die, I don't care. It was all I had, man. It was after a day long work. That was all I had.
It's such a toxic relationship, man.
You can't take a whole day to get ready, please. Welcoming back our guest.
He delayed it. I was kinda angry.
You seated, Puchi, already?
Hello, guys. Welcome back to Puchicast.
Yes.
Wow. Pain must be so easy for you to deal with. That's Irina Shayk. That's a supermodel.
It's.
Oh,
I told you to close all your tabs later on. You moron.
How much is your net worth?
I'm worthless.
Understand?
Very true answer.
Understandable.
Aren't we all worthless? Isn't it? Like, aren't we all worthless?
especially Vinny.
What?
Yeah, that's not a conspiracy. That's truth.
So, next question. Kailash Sankar. So, I heard you play football. What are the famous football conspiracy theories that you know of?
It's one of the popular ones is Ronaldo and Messi are the same person.
Zam. That's deep.
No, it's not. That's not.
Sorry,
that's not-
Ronaldo and Ronaldo are the same person.
Probably. What? Explanations, sir, please.
It just means offside.
Do you know football? Ball fanatic. I just want to ask. Before the game, as a game of football starts, you do put a toss, right? Like the.
Football fanatic. Do you have any questions?
I mean, no. For me, who's your favorite football player? Mine is Sebastian
No, not
Vettel.
your questions, please. Do you have any questions? I heard you're the host.
Yes. Puchicast.
What are we doing?
Where I am the man and he's the child. Together we are man-child.
Actually, so being a football fan myself, I've been a great football fan. So, how do you think about the football culture in India? I am totally actually excited to see the new IPL happening, and IPL is actually very promoting
Wait, what?
the
IPL?
yeah.
Indian Pele League.
It's It's can you just,
Pele.
Yes, sir.
it's actually Indian Pro Footballers League. You don't you what do you noob about football? They don't know about football.
I thought you guys were really doing something when I came in the last episode. Wait a second, let's talk about you guys. What do you guys like?
I like I
Other than
said.
football.
I like futsal.
I like fruity.
COVID-19 is a population control
Method
method. Yes,
used by
not used by anyone, by the government against us.
which government? Don't
Let's
FIFA,
not get
da.
political.
FIFA is not a government.
Let's not get political.
Like
but
they're
let's not get political. But what are your thoughts about it?
How can what?
what do you think about Pushpa?
She's a good
Who is
chick.
she?
She is no. I'm talking about the movie Pushpa.
You know her too?
Why not? But as you are so famous, why do you know her?
It takes
We two are doing hard work.
So let's not go off topic.
hard work.
Let's not go off topic, sir. Please,
That's
please.
not even your chat.
So
I have a question. Please. Mr. Kailash, as you have recently got into football, so would you blame the progress on the butterfly effect?
yes, actually, the butterfly effect is a very famous theory. So what do you think? Do you playing foot?
Etiquettes. Food etiquettes. Please, shut the
Don't. Please be a gentleman. Sorry, gentleman. I meant gentleman. I really meant gentleman.
Sure. Okay, but would you like to blame all your football progress on the butterfly effect?
I don't know what's the butterfly effect. I know what a butterfly is.
A butterfly. You mean? Oh yeah. It's actually a life lesson to all of us. You don't have to know the theories. It's just
So, Mr. Kailash, please tell me
in-
this, that we know child trafficking is a huge part of conspiracy theories.
It's not conspiracy, it's there. I saw the movie Doctor. It's there in that. I think it's true.
Which
Anything that Tamil
doctor?
movie.
You mean Doctor Strange or Doctor?
Doctor Strange was not child trafficked.
You Tom Holland was. I told you not to be dominating last time also. I'm fucking older
This
than you,
guy.
okay? I'm older than you.
This guy,
Don't look at the camera.
Boomer.
This is gonna be edited.
boomer,
Let's
right?
go on.
Gen Z. Human trafficking is a huge part of the dark web.
Child trafficking.
Yes, child trafficking. Good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's
a lot of
actually-
interest in child.
No, the
I see.
traffic is too much. It's actually
want
too much,
Please shut up,
especially
Vinny.
in
Please shut up,
Bangalore.
Vinny. Shut
The
up,
traffic is too much.
Please. Shut up. Let me finish my question.
I told you not to be
Working man,
dominating.
ah.
Yeah, our voice working, sir.
Same. Travel, no?
Yeah, it's terrible. It's actually the traffic. The traffic was actually terrible. Which area do you go to usually?
Koramangala, bro.
Oh, I go near Brigade Road M0, and it is actually the traffic is terrible.
Wait.
The traffic is terrible. I say like
Every day, morning also there, evening also there, afternoon also there, night also there.
Yeah,
When do we
but
travel
then-
then? Midnight? Are we in US? No. For them, we should work it seems. How?
exactly. There are some big 8, big 12 companies. I don't even care for these.
Is he sad or something? He left.
I don't know. So let's moving on to conspiracy theories.
He's leaving, bro. Is it fine?
It's fine. It's totally
It's
fine.
his podcast. No? He's host and all I heard.
He's not. He was the only one who had camera.
Oh.
So I wanted.
He's here
someone-
just so you know.
Huh? Oh yeah. So, welcome back, Puchi. I am happy that you're back from your toilet break. Why? Wipe your tears, you moron.
Child trafficking is a huge part of the dark web, and that's a conspiracy. Okay. So, why do you think adoption is still a thing?
This is not. We hadn't planned this, man. We did. So I have a conspiracy theory.
Okay.
I have one. I
think
believe
he's talking about his life.
No, I think it's love life.
it's
Zam.
it's my topic. Let me talk.
Hold on.
So, my topic is every day. I believe that we are living in a simulation that every day someone's handling us, right? It's actually like how
It's a movie called Matrix.
have a camera, you don't know how to use it. I'll have to set that up for you. I have to set up.
Oh, that's your camera. That's dope.
Thanks, man.
camera.
It's
He's
Amen.
judging me
yeah,
by the skills I don't have.
yeah.
So please watch Drop Dead Gorgeous. He's shown all his skills.
Not all my skills. I've just shown the first two.
Subliminal des, bro.
Just shown just
His editing is the best.
theory that you sleep on the.
Hey, you dropping the mic, bro.
Also, watch the movie that is in the description. That is
No.
in the description. That's
movie?
yeah, that's my movie. That's
Matrix, right?
it's no.
Matrix only. What else?
Drop Dead Gorgeous. It's my movie. I made a movie.
You made a movie.
Yeah, a short film. Yeah,
Yeah.
just 30 minutes.
What else can his potential do? Short film, of course.
He's just calling a YouTube video short film. That's it.
No.
It's actually a short film. It's nice. It's a good short film.
I don't know. Maybe.
Hey, it's rated 8.
come on, guys.
It's
One
rated.
conspiracy,
It's
please. One
it's it's rated 8.5 on IMDb.
What? Full form? On IMDb, let's talk about Amazon. Amazon's owner, Mr. Jeff Bezos.
Oh, why were in the box?
As we were talking about Jeff Bezos,
Why were in the box? Come on. It's
Yes, yes, Pucci. Why were you in the box? Why? Why exactly?
Can you
Was
just
it
please
anything
elaborate?
relating to a jamun, a gulab jamun?
A jamun, you say?
Yeah, a gulab
jamun.
a pair of gulab jamun.
Okay.
wasn't it yours?
It was mine. It was supposed to be. It was actually my jamun, man. I had bought
What,
it.
you dropped it? dropped it, gorgeous. It is hard these days.
I worked the whole day and I'm not even getting paid for it. And I still worked and I did all my work and then I bought with all the money I could and taking 60% of the money from my mom. I bought gulab jamuns. And I
Where did
had
the
all
40% come from?
That's a good question.
sold my sperm. Wiki donor.
I needed a child, I told you.
Maybe I can father your child.
I don't need a short person. Bro!
I see the gulab jamun has vanished. It's not there. It's the gulab jamun has vanished. I couldn't. It was something really close. I wanted it. I wanted it from my heart.
How much is the gulab jamun?
40 rupees.
How much is 60% of that?
24 rupees.
I'm a 12th pass. You know,
You
so
passed?
Hey, he actually there was corona and stuff. So
Hey,
he
state
actually-
board tha na.
As we're talking about hard work, when he left his job to make his movie. Fun fact.
It's the story about you, you know? But you're not gorgeous, are you? I mean, you're dropping and all.
No.
You're definitely dead
He
inside.
left his paying job to make a movie.
Sorry about the mic, guy, if it's yours.
R.I.P. Uncle Ben.
We, with all due respects to Uncle Ben. Who's Uncle Ben again?
Spider-Man reference.
I do what I like.
Singham
Spider-Man.
universe.
His
His wife became one of the richest women in the world overnight just because of divorce. So,
because of who?
because of a divorce.
Oh, divorce.
Okay. So
You mean diverse culture? The
no,
diversity. in the-
divorce.
Divorce.
Divorce?
Yeah.
What is that?
They are
What
like
is
omnivores, but
okay, this conspiracy theory is one mind-blowing conspiracy theory. This is what I have thought about from the bottom of my heart. This is actually one of the my favorite conspiracy theories. Actually, I read this on.
Okay? Okay?
you read it? You read it?
Yeah, I read it on.
Okay? Dude, tell the conspiracy, dude.
India has democracy.
No, it is not.
not just a glass time, okay? It was something more important.
What's in the box, bro?
Hey, nothing, man. It's everything. Come on, can you please help me keep it there?
What's in the box?
Nothing. It's just.
What's in the box?
Keep it here. Come, go. Help me.